Step-by-step process to earn money from YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the step-by-step process to earn money from YouTube. Whether you are a content creator or you want to start your own YouTube channel, this video is a must-watch for you. Getting started. First things first, you need to create a YouTube channel. This is a straightforward process and only takes a few minutes. Once your channel is created, you need to decide on a niche that you want to create content on. This could be anything from cooking, fashion, beauty, or even gaming. Creating content. Now that you have set up your channel and niche, it's time to start creating content. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to your audience. You want to make sure that your subscribers keep coming back for more. Your content should be well-researched, informative, and entertaining. Building your audience. Now that you have your content, it's time to start building your audience. One way to do this is to promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on all your social media platforms and encourage your friends and family to share them as well. This is a great way to get your name out there and start building your audience. Monetizing your channel. Finally, once you have built your audience and created some great content, it's time to monetize your channel. This is done through the YouTube Partner Program. You need to make sure you meet their requirements, which include having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can start monetizing your